Hello students, welcome you for the artificial intelligence class. First we'll see the meaning and introduction about the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science. It pursues creating the computer or machines of as intelligent as human beings. So artificial intelligence is nothing but, as name states, it's the artificial intelligent. It's nothing but, it's not a natural intelligence, but it is a the intelligence created by the human beings by using some computers or machines or any other materials. Okay, for examples, now see, now human beings are reading the newspapers, doing many works, or they are getting the educations, or they are innovating something new. Scientists are innovating some things. These are things are they are doing their works, their day-to-day activities because of using their intelligence. That intelligence arise from their birth, right? It's a from birth. Their intelligence arise from the birth. We are not creating the intelligence, and we are not putting that intelligence in the particular human being's mind, right? That intelligence is arising from the naturally by birth. But under the artificial intelligence, there is no natural intelligence. By we are creating the intelligence. Okay, that we are creating the intelligence by using some computers or programs or any other things for the innovation, the new innovations of the human beings, by using their natural intelligence, they are creating some artificial intelligence to use that artificial intelligence in some areas where where they can't use their natural intelligence, where it is very difficult to use the natural intelligence. In that place they can use the artificial intelligence. Okay, in the introduction class, I in the overview of the syllabus I told, right? For example, when we are using particular app, for example, we are using the Amazon or Myntra, right? For shopping we are using the Myntra. Means after searching or after browsing particular app, the next day, after 2 days, we are getting some ads of Myntra in the our Facebook account, right? Whether some any other people's there to send that particular ad to our Facebook account? No, right? So it is the artificial intelligence. Because of our browsing history or our searching history, automatically that particular things are appear in our Facebook accounts or Instagram accounts, any other things, right? Same in the Google, right? For example, we are searching some matters. For example, television, I'm searching about the features and scope of the artificial intelligence. Sometimes our searching matters, the exact matter is not available in the Google, right? But instead of this they are giving something, right? Instead of this you are getting these things, right? They are giving something else, right? That is also the artificial intelligence. Is there any other is there any person is there in the Google or any other sites to send the related information or the similar information to you? No, right? There is no another. That is the artificial intelligence by okay, that is the artificial intelligence. So be clear about the artificial intelligence. It's nothing but by using some computers or programs. One more example, robots, right? Do you know about the robots, right? They're doing all the works. Robotic science, right? They're doing all the works like human beings. That is also artificial intelligence. The robot is not a person to work by naturally. That is the robot also a artificial intelligence. We are creating some programs, or we are developing some innovations and machines, and we are creating a artificial robot, right? Artificial human, that is a robot. Robot also a artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science. It pursues us creating the computers or machines as intelligent as human beings. They are same that the human beings are, by using their natural intelligence, they are creating the intelligent. They are creating the artificial intelligent. Okay, same, that particular thing same works as the human beings, that particular thing same works as the human beings, right? Now see the robots, they're creating, by creating the natural intelligence, human beings are creating some robots, right? The robots say work same as the human being, that is the artificial intelligence. The intelligence demonstrated by machine is known as the artificial intelligence. The intelligence demonstrated or working with the help of the machine in the sense of the computers or robots or any other things. So intelligence demonstrated by machine, it's called the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has grown to be very popular in today's world, right? It's very popular in today's world, okay? And an intelligent entity created by humans. It is an intelligent entity created by humans. It's created by humans only, by using their natural intelligence. The human are creating the artificial intelligence capable of performing tasks intelligently without being explicitly instructed. Without the instruction or without the guidance, they are as the knowledge of themselves, they are going to act for a particular situation, right? Capable of thinking and acting rationally and humanly. They are, that artificial intelligence is capable to think and act rationally. At any situation they can act or they can think and humanly. They can think like humanly, they can act like humanly, and they can act like rationally, okay? And to create, the main goals of the artificial intelligence is nothing but to create expert systems. For a main aim is, I already discussed, the main aim of the artificial intelligence is to create the expert systems to reduce the manual works, or to improve the innovations or improvement of the science. It's the next part of the improvement of our science, to create expert systems, okay? We can reduce the some errors and mistakes because of using the artificial intelligence, and to implement human intelligence in machines. We are implementing the human intelligence ಅನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಮೆಷಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಗೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ artificial intelligence, okay? It's nothing but we are creating a artificial person or artificial intelligence, that particular thing work same as the human being, okay? And main the see, you just think about artificial intelligence. There is a, we can reduce the errors, and the human beings are the some human beings are lazy, they can't work properly, but under the artificial intelligence there is no laziness. They are work as same as the level, as per the setting by the human beings, as per the speed set by the, as per the programs developed. They are working same as, there is no laziness or there is no tiredness for the artificial intelligence, okay? Now see this see, artificial is nothing but, the simple definition of artificial is that objects that are made or produced by human being rather than occurring naturally. Artificial is nothing but they are producing by the human beings rather than occurring naturally. Intelligence, the single words intelligence is a process that consists of a set of skills of problem solving, enabling so resolve genuine problems or difficulties that are encountered in daily life. Intelligent is nothing but it is a set of skills, or it is a set of principles, or intelligence, it is a set of the skills to solving the problems, or enabling the resolve genuine problems or difficulties, to solve the difficulties, to do some task. Intelligence is nothing but it is a set of skills of a particular person or a particular thing, okay? Then see, intelligence is the intuitive form plans to achieve goals by interacting with an information rich environment. Computers with the ability to mimic or duplicate the functions of human brain. Computers in the artificial intelligence is, see, it is a ability of a computer to mimic is nothing but repeat or mimicry, right? It repeat or mimic or duplicate the functions of human beings. They are going to repeat or they are going to mimic the functions of the human brains. They are going to act same as the human brains, or they are going to act or they going to duplicate, or they going to copy the human brains. Okay, artificial intelligence is the intelligence of machines and the branch of computer science which aims to create it. Okay, it's already over. The branch of computer science that is concerned with the automation of intelligence behavior is nothing but it is automation of the intelligent behavior, to build the intelligent behavior of a human being. Okay, what is an artificial intelligence? See, it is a science of engineering of making intelligent machine, especially intelligent computer programs is related to similar test of using computer to understand human intelligence, but it does not have to confine itself to methods that are biologically observable. Intelligence is the computational part of the ability to achieve goals in world. Varying kinds of degrees of intelligence occur in people, many animals and some machines. It's nothing but is already we discussed, right? It's the science of engineering of making intelligence of machines. Okay, especially intelligent computer program, mainly in the case of the computer programs. Intelligence is the computational part of the ability to achieve goals in world. It's the main aim of the artificial intelligence to is nothing but to achieve the goals in the world, to achieve the improvements, to achieve the goal they're going to helpful. All textbooks defines the field as the study and design of intelligent agents, whereon intelligent agent is a system that perceives environment and takes action that minimize the chances of success. The field of artificial intelligence is dedicated to the study and replication of human brain in machines, thus enabling them to perform cognitive based activities. It's nothing but is field of artificial intelligence is dedicated to the study of replication of human brain. It's going to study the all the things about the human brains in machines. They're going to apply the human brain activities in the particular machines, thus enabling them to perform cognitive based activities. Cognitive based means the activities relating to the mind or brain. Okay, mind based activities. Artificial intelligence imitate human behavior in areas of problem solving. It's nothing but they imitate. For example, there is one problem in a particular factory means, okay, now who is going to solve that problem? Particular human beings going and solving that problem. But by using the artificial intelligence, they imitate the human behavior in areas of problem solving. As per the knowledge of with the help of the artificial intelligence, by using that artificial intelligence, okay, they are going to imitate the human behavior in the problem solving. The artificial intelligence themselves is going to solve the problems in a particular area without the help of the human beings. Speech recognition, decision making, learning and planning. In the areas of planning, in the areas of learning or decision making or the speech recognition. Next, artificial intelligence is continuously evolving to benefit many different industries. It's using in many different industries. Machines are world using a cross-disciplinary approach based in mathematics. They are using the mathematics, computer science, or psychology, or linguistics, or any other things they are using. Okay, and one more thing, algorithm often plays a very important part in the structure of artificial intelligence. Algorithm, it plays a very important role in the, by using some formulas or any other things, it is an important role in the artificial intelligence, where simple algorithms are used in simple applications while more complex ones helps frame strong artificial intelligence. The simple algorithm or some simple algorithm formulas or equations are used to solve the simple problems. Okay, by using the algorithm equations or problems or help of the algorithm techniques, okay, by using simple techniques, we can solve the simple problems, or we can use it in the simple applications. Okay, but by using the complex techniques or equations or formulas, we can frame or we can build the strong artificial intelligence. By using this, we can build the strong artificial intelligence. Okay, this is our main introduction part of the artificial intelligence, and this you just keep in mind what is the artificial intelligence and how it going to work. It's nothing but same as human being, but it's not naturally. The human being, by using their natural intelligence, they are creating some intelligence. Okay, we'll see some other scope, nature and goals, or any other areas of in the next class. Okay, thank you.